welcome back, and thank you all for subscribing to the channel. If you've not, please go ahead and do that. We've had a lot of new subscribers lately, so I want to make sure we get good content out to them. Tonight we're going to be doing something simple. We're going to be installing these barrel locks on a cabinet here at the house. As many know, the Wanderlust Handyman is a grandfather, so this is one step we're taking towards baby-proofing our home. Having a cabinet we can keep the cleaners and dangerous chemicals and stuff in here. We can lock it and not have to worry about the baby getting into it. Okay. It's pretty simple. To prepare the doors, we've measured the height of them and we've split that in half so that this lock is halfway up the door. That prevents you from pulling on the bottom or pulling on the top and being able to pry it open. So you're going to use a hole saw like this, drill bit. We'll put that in our drill, cut through this, and hopefully not tear up too much of the paint around us. All right, let's get drilling. Okay, now we gotta see if we can fit this in here. I'm the Wanderlust Handyman, but I'm not the Wanderlust tool and equipment store. So the only hole saw bit I had was 5/16, and this is a little bit bigger. So we're gonna have to make this go in this hole somehow. I could file it. That would take forever. All right, so we'll use this bit to get the edges of the hole and make us a little more space. I know the right drill bit would solve this whole problem. You know what I don't have? The right drill bit. The Wanderlust Handy Brother has all kinds of tools. But if you notice, you've never seen him in a Wanderlust Handyman video. I don't know why that is. Perhaps this should be a call out to the Wanderlust Handy Brother. I think if we all comment enough, we all requested enough, we can get the Wanderlust Handy Brother into a video. For those of you who grew up watching Home Improvement, unfortunately a lot of times I feel like Tim the Toolman Taylor.
Get to that.
Nothing ever goes right the first time. If you were looking for a true professional, you would probably be looking elsewhere. I've always heard that you can have a job done and you have three options. You have fast, you have cheap, and you have good. And you can choose two of those things. Most of the jobs I do are cheap because I'm working with a nonprofit or at home. This is one of those, I don't know, I think I'm gonna go with good and cheap because it won't be fast. The video will though, because you can speed through all this part. Ready for the satisfying moment here? Was it worth it? Probably not. All right, so once you get that in, the next thing you're gonna put on is this washer. You see closely, it's got little teeth on it. You put this in, those teeth go in towards the wood, so that they bite into the wood and keep this lock from spinning. And then you put the regular nut on there. So now on the back of this lock, this is the piece that latches over, right? And it has a square end, which matches a square end here. So now when the lock is sideways, you'll see this little piece is flipped down. When it's up, it's not there. So you can see here. Wait a minute. Did that just work? Oh, best news all night. I honestly did not think that was gonna happen. I was convinced I was gonna have to notch this out. It was gonna be ugly. Oh, that is nice. So I will take the wins when I can get them. I'm going to do this next one, and we'll be done. Sometimes using the old man's tools is pretty cool. These things have been around probably longer than I have. The old Craftsman, there's like nicks missing out of it that you just know that he was just like completely ticked off. You know there's a story behind that one. It probably involves your father wanting to use expletives.
Ignorant, blood-sucking, dog-kissing, brainless, hopeless, heartless, fat, bug-eyed, stiff-legged, spotty-lipped, worm-headed sack of monkeys. Hallelujah! All these... Where's the Tylenol?
He may have. Let's look at it now. Nice. Let's try this one on this side. Oh yeah. Good. They're all the same key. No job's finished until the cleanup. Well, that's it. If I can take a few minutes and teach a few things to somebody, some young guy, girl that has never done this or has never had someone show them how to do this, it may not be as complete as like a little step-by-step, but I'll give you the general idea. Please like and subscribe. I'm trying to get enough views and watch hours and subscribers. Thanks again for watching. Thanks for hanging out with me, and we'll see you on the next one.